Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. Raksha Bandhan is very near now, so we all are trying to get Rakhis for our brothers, but it is difficult to go out during this lockdown. So why not we prepare Rakhis at our home by our own hands? So today I will teach you how to make this simple Rakhis. It is very simple and you will use whatever you have. You will just need some of the decorative materials. If you don't have, you can use the flowers which we had already learned. That is the woolen flowers that we had already learned. So to make this simple Rakhis, of course we will need multiple color woolen. I have used two colors for one Rakhi. Other than that, I am using 3.5 mm hook and also 4 mm hook. We also need some pearls or some decorative flower. Along with that, we will need our scissor and needle. So let's begin to learn how to make these cute, beautiful Rakhis. Let's start making the Rakhi. I have taken my yarn. I will leave a small tail behind and I will wrap this yarn about 15 times on my finger. 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14 and 15. Now I will take this out. Now this is the circle what we have done and we have to work in between this. Take the yarn, make a knot here and start working single crochets through this center. Keep on working single crochets. You need not count how many single crochets you are making. Just make till you complete it. Okay. And last one. Only work till you have space. No need to push them back and work, or no need to make extra single crochets. Just work as much as the space is available. Then this is our first single crochet. This is our first single crochet. Here I will join with slip stitch. Okay. Now just I will pull this one below. This is your front side and this is the back side. So half part of the Rakhi is ready now. Cut this yarn. And I will make this lace to tie. For that I will be using two colors. One will be the same dark pink and one more I will take light pink color. So just where we have cut our yarn, I will insert my hook and see here you have one choice. Here I have used two colors, yellow and red. I have taken two strands of yellow and just one strand of red, so that the yellow color is more highlighted. So you can take more strands of that color which you want to highlight. I am going to take two strands of light pink and just one strand of this dark pink. For that I will take around half meter of light pink color two times. I will not cut it. There will be a small loop here and I will measure it two times like this and leaving a small tail behind, I will make a small loop with this dark pink color. Okay, like this. Now I will pull these two strands through this space where I had inserted my hook. That is where we just ended the work making this circle. Now I will leave these two tiny strands behind and I will go on making chain stitches. If you want, you can use a bigger hook. This was 3.5. I will take 4 mm hook to make these chains bigger. make around 15 to 16 chains. That much will be enough. 3, 4. So I cut these tails and I will remove this one. Just tie a knot. I actually made 20 chains here. Now we will repeat the same process on the other side, just opposite to it. Here I will keep this hook ready inside the loop and I will measure. Now we have to take our needle, take the needle and hide all these tails, then we will see what to do next. I completed hiding the tails on the back side, so Rakhi is almost ready. The last part, that is the decoration part, is remaining. You can decorate it like this by some decorative flower and a pearl. I have a flower, I have a golden bead or pearl. I can use this or directly some silver pearl. I have anything that you have, you can use it however you like it. Just you have to use the fabric glue or Fevicol, both will work, and apply a drop of it on the back side of the decorative material. And just place it at the center. Now if you want, you can put this golden bead or a very small stone like this. Okay, so as the color is matching, I prefer to put this color stone. Again with the same procedure, just apply some fabric glue, take the stone, place it carefully, okay. So our simple easy Rakhi is ready. Try this and let me know how it turns out.